Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, September 1st, 2020. The value is freedom. Vamos a hacer un repaso rápido de la clase del día de ayer. Para eso vamos a ver nuestro siguiente video. ¿Ok? So pay attention.
English Sing. Theme 20. Can. Dialogue. What's that?
My birthday invitation.
A swimming party? Nice! Let's go to a swimming party. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you swim?
No, I can't. Welcome, everyone.
Happy birthday! This is for you.
Thank you. Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
Can you jump?
No, I can't.
Look, I can dance. Song. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Can you swim? Can you swim? No, I can't. No, I can't. Can you skate? Can you skate? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Can you skate? Can you skate? No, I can't. No, I can't. Rap. Swim, swim. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes. I can swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance. Can you dance? No, I can't. No, I can't. No. I can't dance, dance, dance. Story. Happy birthday! This is for you. Thank you. Can you fly? No, I can't. Can you dance? Sorry, I can't. Can you jump? No, I can't. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Good. Let's swim together. Let's swim. Okay. Oh no! Oh, I can swim. Story. Hello, I'm Alice.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Can you fly? No, I can't. I can jump. Wow, great. Bye. See you later. Alice, this is the Queen.
Nice to meet you, Alice.
Nice to meet you too.
Can you play the violin?
Yes, I can play the violin. I can play the violin.
Alice, can you play the violin?
Excellent, very good, kids. Now that we could make a review of the class, let's continue. This is not working. Okay, what you can see here? What do you see? Okay, correct. These are families. So what are we going to do is let's make our family tree. Les pedí que tuvieran dos hojitas, esta y la que viene con las fotografías para recortar. Recórtalas de la otra hoja y vamos a ir acomodándolas. Okay, here is missing the grandfather, so glue it. Then the father, the mother, the sister is missing. Put the sister, we have the uncle first, then the sister, then the cousin, at last the aunt. En esta forma nos va a quedar. Recuerda que cuando termines lo pegues en tu cuaderno y me envíes una foto de tu family tree. Great. Ahora que ya recordaste los nombres, please describe your family. Necesito que grabes un breve video en donde describas a tu familia. ¿Quiénes la componen? Mamá, papá, abuelos, tíos. ¿Quiénes componen a tu familia? Y me lo envíes. When you finish, you're going to listen the following song. Give me a second, and there we go.
Welcome to Kids Academy.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Great. Very good. Excellent. Now that you make your activities and you listen our song, that would be everything for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'll see you tomorrow in class. Goodbye.